how to manage Recaptcha secret key on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First, open your browser and now click settings, and here we'll find security and privacy. Now here we'll find the Recaptcha secret key. Just type here and new ones and then click save. And now let's make sure it's saved, and as you see, that's it, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.